Hi lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dima and today I'll be sharing with you how to make Neem shampoo bars in your homes. You already know how amazing Neem is for hair growth. So sit tight and let's do this. So our first ingredient is goat milk. This is 500 gram worth of goat milk. As you can see, I already shared this into 3 equal parts so that each can be enough for what I'm using them for. Don't worry, by the end of this video you will understand. So I'm going to cut that to the end because I'm using just a piece out of the 3. So this piece is approximately 166.6 gram worth. I will put that in a bowl, in a glass bowl, because I'm going to be using a DIY double boiler method to melt this into liquid. According to Black Hair 101, the benefits include make hair soft and manageable, good for dry scalp and especially for dandruff conditions, softens hair and smooths out nicks and scratches across the hair strands, makes scalp healthier and less prone to dryness. So our next ingredient is neem powder, and we are going to be sieving that to get rid of any particle that may come with it. Guys, I made this myself. You can check the description box for the video link. Neem benefits for hair includes it conditions your scalp, it promotes hair growth, reduces dandruff, minimizes grays, temporarily seals hair follicles, soothes frizz, treats head lice, and many more. To begin, put 3 to 4 cups of water in a medium-sized pot and bring to a boil. Place the bowl containing the goat milk bar in it and allow to dissolve. You can facilitate the process by stirring this from time to time. This may take some time to dissolve, but you just have to be patient. It took me about 20 to 25 minutes to dissolve this. Please keep on watching. I just have to take you through the process because I know a lot of you may be trying this out after watching. So please be patient and watch to the end. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up if you found this video useful or interesting. For close to 10 minutes or more, this hasn't melted or even given any sign of melting. It actually took me a long time before this started melting. So please, you just have to be patient if you're to try this out. So once you notice that this has started melting, grab a wooden spatula and then help the process. This facilitates the melting process. As you can see, I got a wooden spatula just to facilitate the process. So once the goat milk is completely melted, I will add my sieved neem powder and then give that a good mix until they combine. Please make sure that there are no lumps. So my next ingredient is going to be tea tree essential oil. I'm going to be adding 20 drops of that and again stir to combine. Please ignore the fact that I always use tea tree essential oil. Please, if you have any other essential oil, feel free to add it at this point. I love tea tree essential oil simply because it's great for the scalp and I love the results on my hair. So feel free to use any essential oil of your choice. So after adding in your neem powder, stir this for more 10 minutes before the next process. This is because you have to infuse the neem powder in the goat milk. So for the next process, I'm going to be transferring my mixture in this silicone molds. Silicone molds is what you use to get the shape of your shampoo bars. So these silicone molds are very flexible, super flexible. So once this soap sets, it will be very easy for me to get the soap out in its molded form without having to ruin the soap. So that's why you have to use silicone molds. Please keep on watching to see how this goes. Please transfer the mixture in your silicone molds immediately from the fire. Do not allow this to cool a bit. Transfer immediately. If not, it's going to set on the glass bowl, and I'm sure you wouldn't love that. So this is the reason why I use 166.6 grams of the goat milk. This is just because I have just 3 silicone molds, and I had to do my calculations so that it can just enter these 3 silicone molds. So I'm going to be demonstrating how I use this shampoo bar. I had already drenched my hair, so I'm going to be using this to wash my hair. I'm so sorry I did not show you guys how I removed the shampoo bars from the silicone molds. I lost that clip. I'm so sorry about that. This shampoo bar is super moisturizing, and I love the fact that it didn't strip my hair. I love the fact that it lathers so well and it cleanses so well as well. This is what you can use to thicken up your hair, because Neem has the property of thickening up hair strands, and also they are very great for the scalp. So Neem is something that you need for your shampoo. You actually need Neem shampoo. If there is any out there, do not hesitate to buy it, because Neem is amazing for the scalp. It helps with dandruff, lice, all scalp issues. Neem is great. So this is how this shampoo molds looks like. It's very nice, and I love the shape that the silicone mold gave this shampoo. So I'm totally loving this, and if you try this, please let me know how it goes. I'm not going to be doing so much with the shampooing because I'm in my filming room, and I don't want to do so much so that I don't mess the place up, because this is actually messy. So I'm going to be doing the rest in the bathroom, but I just want to show you guys how amazing this shampoo bar is and how well it lathers. Please let me know if you'll be trying this in the comments below, and also let me know if you would love to see more videos like this in the comment section below. Please, have you subscribed to my channel yet? Have you given me a thumbs up? Please subscribe, because we are on our way to 50k subscribers. Our target next month, March, is 50k subscribers. Please make this happen for your girl. If you enjoy my content, please tap that red subscribe button and join my family. It will really mean a lot to me. So after rinsing out the shampoo, my hair felt squeaky clean, and I love how clean and quiet my scalp is. And this is just the perfect shampoo bar anyone can try at home. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you do enjoy this video, let me know in the comment section below if you'll be trying this out. I totally love this, and I love how moisturized my hair feels. The video is not doing justice to this, I don't know, but I love how moisturized my hair is, and this didn't strip my hair. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I love the fact that you always come around to watch my video. That means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching. Please ensure you share this video with your friends and family. See you in my next video by God's grace. Bye, loves.